This summer we found 5 super fun activities for kids in Dubai, and they're all under $20. During summer, the team at Garden Center offer workshops 3 times a week. Classes cover many topics such as carpentry, floral arrangements, planting, and string art. Workshop prices are approximately 50 dirhams per person, but can sometimes vary. Modhesh World is one of the largest indoor amusement centers in the UAE. It opens its doors in June and closes towards the end of August. The Happy Pass Lite is 59 dirhams. It includes 10 free rides which you can utilize between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. This is valid on weekdays only. On Sundays, Walnut Grove Restaurant at City Walk organizes baking classes for kids. The kids got to make cupcakes from scratch, decorate them, and then take them home. All for 50 dirhams. Check their Facebook page for more info. Whether it's morning or afternoon, you can always take the kids to spend a couple of hours painting at Ceramic Cafe. Their ceramics average between 50 and 70 dirhams, unless they're on the larger side. Bowling is a fun option for both adults and kids. There are 5 bowling alleys in Dubai, and they all charge between 60 and 70 dirhams for a 2-person game.